coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, guys, I'm going to be modifying my charge pipe setup, and I also went ahead and picked up a new dual catch can system. So I'm switching over to a dual catch can system. I'll explain that to you guys in a bit. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and picked up a Vibrant HD clamp, and what we're going to be actually doing is welding it onto my throttle body and removing that traditional like factory C clamp they use on there to hold on the charge pipe, and we're actually just going to be switching over to an HD clamp. Should be able to run a lot higher boost now because I was running around 23 psi, guys, with the port injection on 94 octane, and was able to pop off the charge pipe no problem. So just to avoid that problem of that constantly happening and having to fix it on roads, I'm just going to switch over to the Vibrant. So what's everything that you kind of get set up before you start welding aluminum?
So aluminum is a little different. It runs alternating current instead of direct current. We're just starting, we need pure tungsten to weld. That's with the green band. Always use pure tungsten when you're welding aluminum. You could use, I think, zinconated too, like 1.5% zinconated. Our TIG torch. We're not using the wide shielding lenses because we are doing aluminum, and aluminum really doesn't need that much argon to protect it after it's done welding, so it doesn't really need a cooling process like stainless or titanium.
So we're just seeing how the HD clamp actually is going to go onto it.
It's pretty well.
It's going to sit really nice actually. So can you just see how we...
Yeah, you might just have to hold it down like that for me.
And then tack it.
Yeah,
Cleaning it with some acetone. Ali just finished up welding the first piece onto the charge pipe. Now we're just gonna go clean this throttle body with some acetone, get it prepped, and start welding.
hoping that we have enough clearance
to fit the charge pipe in the engine.
This is kind of where it's
Trial and error.
Yeah, it's just gonna be a trial and error.
Yeah. As you see, you got one piece on the throttle body that we welded at the shop, and then over here, as you guys can see, we got the ghetto welding station back in action. So when we actually went to go test fit it with the car, it wasn't perfect. It was touching the coolant reservoir a little bit. So what we're gonna do is actually we cut it. As you can see, Ali just cut it, and we're gonna try adjusting the fitment and trying to get the fit on the throttle body perfectly so we can get the Vibrant clamp on there.
If it looks messed up, sorry, we didn't have a cutting this, so we got to improvise. It's kind of like a one-day job. I didn't want to come back to this, but yeah, we just got it apart.
The end of the boost leak.
Yes, and then I just cleaned it up with the buffing disc.
Nice.
But yeah, it turns out nice, so it's fine. It's good enough to weld. Okay, so we put on the Vibrant coupling. Some of you may know, some of you don't. Vibrant couplings can really play.
They have like angular play, guys.
Yeah, that's something Dujo was asking about, why it was moving so much. The thing is, they're flexible.
Dude, on camera. So Ali just got the mock-up. We had to actually cut it one more time, but this is perfect.
Show them this. Show them this. They can. Small drive.
Yo, why do you keep touching your face like that? We got Glenjo. I got some new AN fittings. So I went ahead and picked up these fittings from a local store. So these ones are for the catch can. Here's the catch cans out of the box. I didn't go with the VTT, I went with the Racetronics, but they're basically the same. VTT actually buys them from Racetronics, and Racetronics is local to us, so I was able to go pick them up. Also went ahead and picked up the steel braiding, so I'm not going to be running that silicone line on the barbed fittings anymore. So we got the charge pipe in. As you can see, there's Ali's welds, and we got the charge pipe to kind of turn this way and then go to, it's kind of hard to see. Got the Vibrant clamp right there. You can see I got the catch cans right here. It's just temporary. I just kind of put it here. It's kind of secure in there right now. I just need to get the N54 bracket because if you guys know, most of you guys probably have the bars still in. I took them out because I couldn't fit it with the hood exit, but I'm probably just going to get one to fit in there and get the bolt in there and then get the proper N54 bracket for the catch can and mount it on there. But right now we're going to go take it out. I'm going to go take it for a spin because I haven't driven in a while. We're going to go for some pulls. So as you can see, it's pretty cold out. It's like -5. So I'm not really going to be going for full out pulls because I'm mostly going to be spinning. But I'm going to show you guys some sick clips. It's nighttime. We're going to get some flames with the hood exit. It's going to be dope. So guys, I went for like a little tiny test hit like before we started recording. And I gave like partial throttle and it was getting loose. So don't expect some serious pulls, but
it's cold. As you guys can see, there's snow on the ground. I don't know if they can see, but there's snow.
I'll show you guys right here. It's bad. So I'm second gear Try third gear. As you see, she just gets loose.
It's cold.
Where's the... Oh, shit. Did you get some of those flames?
Oh yeah. Make it right. Second junction.
It's turning.
Oh fuck, man.
Fuck, I can't like stay
Oh
on the
shit,
gas.
it's fucking cold.
I don't know if you guys can hear the diff bushings. Some nice whine. I don't really mention it, but we got solid diff bushings in the back. It sounds really good. If I kept holding
I
that,
imagine you got welded, so that would have been nice. God damn, stop it, man. You're gonna kill us. This is Dujo. He's back in his element.
I'm back in my element.
He has a
Back in my element. A second, a third.
Stop holding. Knock the tablet down. We knocked grab it. You knocked the tablet down, banging limiter.
Did you get that?
Oh, I got that. Let's go. Give her like $5,000. Did you blow an axle? You snapped something. He snapped something, boys. What?
So frustrating, but as you saw, so I tried doing a burnout, and when I dumped the clutch, I thought it was an axle that snapped, but I actually went underneath the car and checked. Both axles are good. Drive shaft didn't break, so that could only mean one thing. I haven't actually had a chance to put the car in a lift yet and check out, like inspect it, but My gut is telling me that it's the diff that probably blew up, maybe the pinion that connects through the diff and the drive shaft, but this is annoying, guys. So if you guys didn't know, a common problem with these 335s is they're weak axles and they don't come with an LSD, they come with an open diff. So I had to weld the diff on stock axles, but you can't launch these cars hard, you can't dump the clutch, you can't try to do burnouts. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Is it worth it to do the Ford 8.8 conversion, or do you think I should just buy another auto diff, weld it, and call it a day? You guys leave a comment down below. You guys let me know what you think will be the best mod for the 335. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Lots more content's coming soon. Stay tuned every Saturday, guys. It's been Dujo. I'm out. Peace.